Hi there, this is Michellee. Stopped by the side of the road on a bike ride. I chose a really bad day to go biking, and I want to show you why. Looks like a pretty normal day, average traffic, that direction, but over here, you can barely make out the edge of the hills. And then as I turn, you'll see there is a dust storm on the horizon. It's a mild dust storm probably, but the wind is starting to pick up quite a bit. You can see it back there too. There we go. Alright. So, why do you think it might be a bad idea to go biking on a very windy day? Well, I just got something in my eye and I had to stop and take it out. Then I saw the horizon. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. See you later. Bye.